Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this knee massager. This is a knee relief massager, an infrared deep heat for the knee joint pain relief, a laser and vibration therapy for arthritis, swelling, stiffness bands, timing, for function, and 9 head settings. This knee red light therapy is possible with that device here because the knee massager uses the red light technology, which penetrates deep into the tissue and reduces the inflammation, swelling, and pain in the affected area. Compared to traditional therapy, it is not directly vibrated, but treated with strong red light pulse, which is more comfortable for you. It is a non-invasive method for treating chronic knee pain, and it is particularly suited for people who suffer from arthritis, bursitis, and tendinitis. And heated vibrations massage. This knee massager has beat and vibration modes. The built-in heat, conduction heating, quick heat reduction, and temperature lock. 9 stages of heating are possible. The cycle temperature increases can protect our knees from the cold outside. Vibration mode with the built-in massage system massage our knees in all directions. It allows the knee joint to fully release the pressure, so that will be the best massage technique for that. And rechargeable and timer function. This knee massager with a heat powered by a 3000 mAh high performance battery. It comes with electrodes, pads, 2 of them EMS function. This knee heater and massager is equipped with a 30 minutes timer function and a USB-C charging cable for convenient use. And we have an ergonomic design, as you can see. It's not a helmet for the working area, work side. No, it's for your knees. The ergonomic design comes with a large HD LED touchscreen and a beeping design with the clear-available data buttons. The retractable, adjustable straps are ergonomically designed, and the electronic plug in knee massager stays firmly on the knee and does not drop easily. The standard operating time of this device is 30 minutes. The time can be adjusted according to the situation and needs. This is the perfect knee massager for you if you have problems with your knees or your area around the knee, of course. We have neurological discords or skin sensor discords in the leg. We should use this, otherwise the damage or danger may be caused. These are injected metal, silica gel, or plastic materials into the knee due to fracture or operations. Do not use that. The heater has a heating surface, so people who are not sensitive to heat must pay attention while using. This with the knee sequentially due to traffic accident, etc. in a wider implanted medical electronic instruments susceptible to the electromagnetic fault, such as cardiac pacemaker or something else. Then you should not use that knee massager. We have all what we need. We have the electrodes, the EMS electrodes. We can get them. 2 of them are possible for the upper muscles over the knee, or the knees muscle under the knee area. You can attach them to this area, and then of course you can use it. Before the first use, we should fully charge the product and charge it for about 1 or 2 or 3 hours, of course. It is recommended to completely drain the battery. When the power indicator flashes, we should charge it again. We press and hold the power on key for 2 seconds to start the machine. The power indicator light is on. By default, the starting position of the hot compression function is 1. The hot compression display is 1. The infrared light is on. The starting position of the vibration function is 1. The vibrations display is 1. The output sensitivity of the electronic function is 1. We press and hold the power on key for 2 seconds to shut down the device. Each time the hot compression key is pressed, The hot compress function gears has increased by 1 gear up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, and so on. And cycle in sequences. The hot compression display shows O1, O2, O3, O4, and so on. The infrared lamp turns on and off as the hot compress function is turned on and off. Each time the vibration key is pressed, the vibration function will be gears up or gears down. And of course, the EMS is possible to get there, make their job if you plug it in. That's all easy. This is a nice device, and this can help you if you have arthritis, for example, or swellings in your knee area, and it helps you to fight against pain, fight against swollen areas, and something else. This is the that's the brand name, VRWULDU knee massager. It's easy to operate. Get the straps in position. Get the display looking to you. Push the button, switch on device. Have fun and relax time if your knee is possible to get a good vibration. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So on.